G'day, my name is Anthony Walker. I'm CEO of Decipher. So with TSFs, obviously over time there have been failures of those facilities. Brumaldinho was an absolute disaster. 270 people lost their lives. It shook the confidence of many operators in the business, and as a consequence there was a big mobilization around the tailings standard. Insurance premiums have been changing pretty dramatically off the back of Brumaldinho and other recent failures, Mount Poly, etc. So Tier 1 and Tier 2 mining companies have been required to rethink their approach around proving out their monitoring programs in relation to insurance. Generally what that has meant is a deeper dive into the monitoring programs and what monitoring programs are available across these TSFs. And that's where we feel Decipher and our team can play a big role. It's about collating that information from an operational level, bringing it back to a group level, and presenting it to a number of different end users. That could be insurers, it could be independent review boards, it could be key personnel within that organisation that need access to that information. The information and surveillance information that comes from TSFs is large. They come from a myriad of different sources and in different formats. From a Decipher perspective, we want to present that information as visually as possible. So we've taken a map-centric or map-first kind of approach. We process INSAR data from a number of different suppliers, CGG, 3VG, DERES, and we present that on the map to the user inside Decipher. We can also present satellite imagery, we can also present monitoring programs, piezometers, IoT devices, LiDAR, etc. Stakeholder information, locations of where actions have taken place, all sorts of information stacked together in a central visual environment so that the end user can see the context behind different data sets. And I think that's the key behind monitoring and surveillance data. It's not one single attribute that will give an indication of a likely failure, but it's a combination of all these data sets working together.